Hello, my dear students. We all know that plants produce very nice thing. What are they? Yes, they are the fruits, and the plants are generally known for the fruits they produce. So we call it mango tree, we call it banana tree, we call it papaya tree. Like this, we name it onto the fruits they produce. So the plants are very much important because they produce the fruits and they produce the grains for us. Yes, and they are very useful to us in various ways. We have studied earlier that they provide oxygen for us to breathe, and also the oxygen for the burning. So they are used in all the ways. If the plant is not there, then we will not be able to get food. Each and every food what we get from the plants. So the fruit is the very characteristics element of a plant, and we like a mango fruit. Why we like a mango fruit? Because it is very tasty, it is very juicy, pulpy. Yes, it's very fleshy. We eat and it is sweet also. Some fruit may be sweet, some may be sour. Yes, so today we are going to study about fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds. What are the edible seeds? First, what are the edible seeds? Edible seeds are those which we can eat, which are edible, which we can eat, but we don't eat the mango seeds, so they are not edible seeds. We don't eat the papaya seeds, they are not edible seeds, but some seeds are edible. So like other parts of the plant, some other seeds are edible, and they are called the edible seeds. So some seeds may be cooked before eating, like the rice, the pulses, the kidney beans, the gram. These are all seeds, and they needs to be cooked. All the pulses, they needs to be cooked before eating it. So they are very edible seeds. Yes, and these are called the grains on pulses. So these type of seeds that are edible seeds are generally the grains and pulses. Some seeds are also there which provide oil, and like the almond, the groundnut, the sunflower, the mustard, we extract oil from these seeds, and they are very useful to us in making oil. So these seeds are used for eating, and also we can produce oil from these seeds. Yes, some seeds are also used as spices. You might have seen the dhania, jeera, what do you call, cumin, coriander. These are nothing but the spices. These are nothing but the spices we call, but they are generally the seeds which we eat. We make a powder of the cumin, the coriander. Yes, and we make the powder of the black pepper. These are nothing. These are the seeds, and they give rise to new plants when it is put in the soil. So these are all about the edible seeds, what we can eat. Yes, now coming to the role of seeds in plant. What do you mean by role of seeds in plant? You know, the flower is the reproductive part of the plant, and flower, when they fertilize, they give rise to fruit, and the fruit contains seeds inside them. Yes, the seeds, when they are put under a very favorable condition, they grow into a new plant. So the seeds helps in growing into a new plant when the favorable conditions are there. What are the favorable conditions? Like the optimum amount of temperature, like the room temperature 32 to 36 degrees centigrade, or they should have a moisture, they should have sunlight and water. Then the seed will germinate into a small plant that is called the seedling. You can see the germination of seeds over here. So when a seed gets the right amount of condition, it grows into a new plant. So it is very clear that the seed plays a very important role in producing the very new plant. Yes. Now what are fruits and vegetables? The part of the plant which we eat is the fruit and the vegetable. Fruits are generally the part of the plant that has seed inside it. Yes, those has seed inside it, like the papaya, mango, guava. These are the fruit, and they have seed. Some fruits may have many seeds, some have one seed, some have few seeds. The fruit that has one seed is mango. The fruit that has many seed is watermelon, papaya. They have many seed inside them. And some fruit that has few seeds are apple, guava, they have few seeds inside them. What we call as vegetable, we call watermelon, brinjal as vegetable, but generally it is not a vegetable. They contain seed inside them. So in a science language we call it as a fruit because it bears seeds inside it. Yes. Now coming to the potato, we eat also the stems, leaves and the roots of some plants. Yes, what are they? We eat the stem of potato. Potato is nothing but a stem. We eat the leaves of spinach. The spinach what we eat is nothing but the leaves, like cabbage. Cabbage is also leaf. Mint, these are all leaves. And we eat the roots like the carrot and radish. These are the roots. So potato, spinach and carrot do not have seed inside them. They are the stem, leaves and roots of a plant. So now coming to what is fleshy fruit and dry fruit. What do you mean by fruit? Fruit is a part of a plant that has seed inside them. Yes, and some fruits are very fleshy, very juicy and they are very pulpy. What do you mean by pulpy? They have a fleshy fruit is that which has a pulp inside them, and pulp is the soft part of a fruit. So mango, we call it is a pulpy fruit because it has soft part which is very much edible and it is very juicy. We discard the outer cover and we discard the seed, which is a big one seed in a mango, but we eat the fleshy juicy part of a fruit. So this is the fleshy fruit. And what do you mean by dry fruits? Dry fruits are those that do not have a pulp. The fruits that do not have pulp inside them are called the dry fruits. So what are the dry fruits? All the dry fruits which we eat, the walnut, the raisins, the almond, these are the dry fruits. So they don't have pulp inside them. They are very dry, but they contain the vitamins, minerals, and they contain the fiber. Yes, the fruits generally contain vitamins, minerals and fibers. They fight against the diseases. So fruits and vegetables are also called the protective foods. So what is the function of fruit? Fruit stores the food for the plant. When the extra food is produced, they are stored inside the fruit, and the fruit we eat it. It is generally the pulpy, juicy part, and it is the fruit that we eat, and it is the food, and it is the stored food that we eat. So the fruit protects the seed inside them. Seed, when we sow the seeds, it grows into a new plant. So the fruits generally protect the seed inside them. So today we studied about the edible seeds and the role of seeds in a plant, and also about the vegetables and fruits, and what are the different types of fruits like the fleshy fruits and the dry fruits. Thank you.